Hello everybody, today we're going to be making a dish called Molokhia. I'm honestly not sure what the translation of this leaf is into English, but regardless, it is a very great source of iron and antioxidants, and it's really good at the same time. So first you're going to start off with preparing your onion with some olive oil. Make sure it gets a little bit soft before you add the Molokhia. And my family likes it chopped finely, but I know others like it chopped less fine, and it all depends on what your preference is. So make sure when you go out and buy this, it's usually freezed. Just read the fine print on the labeling just to see whether it's chopped the way you like it. So then you're gonna go on to prepare your chicken. Make sure you wash it first and then add it to a pot with some oil. Make sure to turn it around so each side gets a little bit brown before you add boiling water and some seasonings. So you're going to add salt, pepper, vegetable broth powder, and that's it. Make sure to keep this broth for later, by the way. So add your chicken and add that broth right back in. Don't forget, don't throw it away. It's really good. You need to add it at the end. And next we're going to roast some garlic. You're going to put some olive oil and some garlic and just mix it around, looking at it as it gets brown. Keep it on low heat if you tend to burn things easily. And you're going to add that straight to the pot with Molokhia and the chicken broth and the chicken and everything else. And now to make the rice, you're just going to add some ghee in a rice cooker alongside with rice. My mom likes to use the combination of 3 cups Egyptian rice and 1 cup American rice, alongside with some salt. And just mix that around. And then fill it with boiling water. My mom likes to use 5 cups, but this is approximately a knuckle's worth above the surface of the rice. And then cook that for about 25 minutes in the rice cooker. And it should turn out very nice and fluffy. If you guys want, you can serve with lemon on the side for a little bit of a tang. But that's it. We hope you guys enjoy. Happy Molokhia-ing. Bye bye!